The following question reads that 1 mole of sugar CH2O6 is burned. Which volume of oxygen measured at room temperature and pressure is required for complete combustion of this sugar? So you first need to come up with an equation for the combustion. So here's the reaction. So whenever an organic compound burns in oxygen, so it's burning in oxygen, it's going to produce two things, carbon dioxide and water. Now the tricky part is balancing this entire equation. So to balance the entire equation, I would first look at trying to balance the things that are easiest to balance. So that would be carbon. There's six carbons because the entire thing has six around it. Six carbons on this side, so there should be six carbons on the other side. So start with balancing those things that don't appear in a lot of places. For example, I'm not going to touch oxygen first because oxygen is over here, it's over here, it's over here, and it's over here. So balancing oxygen right at the beginning is going to be very difficult. So try and focus on those elements that are easier to balance. So carbon only occurring in two places, that's easy to balance. The next one should be, I've also removed the 6 over here. I wrote by mistake. So the next element should be hydrogen because it's over here and it's H2 but bracket and 6. So that means there are 12 hydrogens over here. There's hydrogen over here. So I need to multiply this by 6. So I'm going to get 12 hydrogen on that side as well. And the last thing now is to balance oxygen. So total oxygens on the right side, that's 6 into 2, that's 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 6 already over here, so I need 12 oxygens over here. I need to multiply this by 6. Now let's move to the next part. We have the equation with us. So what volume of oxygen? So this is what we are looking for. We're looking for the volume of oxygen. We want the volume. So what volume of oxygen measured at RTP? So you can use the formulas for moles is required for complete combustion of the sugar. This is 1 mole of sugar. So how many moles of O2 would they be? 1 mole, 6 moles of O2. So we're dealing with 6 moles. So what's the formula of volume? The formula for volume is moles multiplied by 24 dm cube, which is the molar volume. And we're going to use that formula. So it's going to be 6 moles multiplied by 24. And that gives me. So here's my calculator, and this is the calculation I've performed. And it's giving me 144. So the answer is 144 decimeter cube, which is going to give me option C as the correct answer.